Hey, what's up traders, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'll be going over how to install custom indicators in MT4, and it's basically the same as MT5, but I will show you how it works in MT4. So over here we have the terminal, the MT4 terminal. I use FP Markets as my broker. I can really recommend it. It's a nice broker, it's also regulated, so no shady fishy things. But okay, how to install it. So this is what you will see if you open account. Then we go to this over here, which is navigator, and here we see, in my case, all kinds of indicators, right? We have indicators. So how can we add an indicator? So there are basically two ways. First, if you use a custom indicator that is also visible on the market of MetaTrader, you go over here to terminal. So you click on that, and over here we have many indicators. If you click over here on indicators, we see many indicators that we can use. Over here, page 853. So there are many indicators. I click on most rated, new, price ascending, descending, and free, whatever you prefer, right? But if you click on that, let's say for example, this one, and then you go down and then you click on, this case it's buy, you have to buy it. So you click on buy 60 USD, and then you have bought it. You can also first download a demo, whatever you want, but you click on that, and then it's basically over here, of course, when you have enough balance and you have enough money to buy it, then you will see it over here in the navigator section. You go down, and then it appears over here in one of these folders. I believe it's over here. It's over here in this folder. If you buy it right from here, you will see another folder which is called markets. So then you click on that, and you will see the indicator over here. But there's another way. If you do not buy the indicator or get the indicator from the MetaTrader 4 marketplace over here, right? Terminal, and then here, indicators. Let's say that you have an indicator created yourself. So this, for example, is your indicator. Of course, now this is my robot, but it applies also to indicators. So you get, in this case, the file. We go back to the MT4 terminal, close this. Then we click on file over here. We click on open data folder. This is what you will be seeing. You go to MQL4, and then you go to indicators, right? And if you have a robot, trading robot, you click on experts, but in this case, indicators, we click on that. And then here we drop all the indicators that we have, right? So for example, this one, just simple copy paste it in this map, and you will see your indicator. All right, then we go back, and what we do, we go over here and just right click on the mouse. We click on refresh, and then you will see your indicator appear over here, right? Because at first it's not visible, but if you click on refresh, then you will see it. What you do, let's say we pick this one, you drag and drop it, and then you will see the input section, whatever it is. I play around with it, you click on OK, and that's it basically. So it's really simple, and it's a universal way. It doesn't matter which broker you have. Because we use the MT4, the MetaTrader tools. But if you're looking for a great broker, I can recommend FP Markets. Over here we see really low spreads, and it's also regulated, which is really important in my opinion. No shady and fishy things anymore. So if you're interested, if you want to see it yourself, if you want to check it out, check out the link down below in the description for more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.